Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we are creating a high protein, healthy Snickers baked oatmeal. And this recipe has less oats and more healthy fats. We are adding mashed banana to the recipe, and we are adding peanuts, peanut butter, and chocolate, which will definitely give you that Snickers kind of vibe. It is delicious. It is delicious for breakfast, for dessert, and it has quite a bit of protein as well. So we are including some hemp seeds, some flax, and some sprouted oats, and some other really easy basic ingredients that most of you will have in your fridge or pantry. You can replace the mashed banana with applesauce if that's what you prefer, and I think it should work okay. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share our recipes with your friends and family. So why don't we make this really delicious, high protein, healthy Snickers baked oatmeal. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease a 9x9 baking pan. I'll set that aside. Next, we are going to grab a medium to large bowl, and we're going to add 1 cup of ripe bananas. For me, that was 2 large bananas, but it could be between 2 and 3. We're going to add 2 large eggs, 1.5 cups of milk. I used 1 cup of soy and 1/2 cup of cashew. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're adding 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I'm adding 4 servings of collagen powder. You can use any collagen powder you like, or 2 servings of protein powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're gonna grab a whisk, and we're just gonna whisk everything until it's nice and smooth. Now for our dry ingredients. I'm going to add 1 1/3 cup of sprouted oats. You can use regular rolled oats as well. I'm adding 1/3 cup of hemp seeds and 1/3 cup of ground flaxseed. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can use any sweetener you like. And we're just going to grab a spatula and just mix everything together until it comes together. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of roasted salted peanuts and 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. You can use any chocolate chips you like. And the batter is done. We're going to pour that into our baking pan. And you can add a couple of tablespoons of extra chocolate chips on top if you like. And we're going to bake this at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes or so until toothpick comes out clean. And it smells so good. So I actually melted 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and drizzled it over with some extra peanuts. Enjoy this high protein Snickers baked oatmeal. It is absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this high protein Snickers baked oatmeal, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.